Hey friends, today we're gonna freeze jalapeno peppers so we can have plenty of jalapeno poppers for football season, which is right around the corner. So come on, let's get started. Let's start by washing the peppers. I've got some banana peppers, some overripe banana peppers, and I have some jalapeños. So I'm just going to throw them all in the sink here. And then we're going to add a little bit of baking soda, which is a natural cleansing agent for vegetables.
And that, my friends, is a lot of peppers.
So let's add a little bit of this baking soda. Very scientific sprinkle amount. And I will just let these sit for about half an hour. Okay, I gave the peppers one final rinse. I'm gonna let them dry out here. I don't understand why there are not more pepper farms in this area of the country, because this is probably our third crop that look like this year, and I think we only have 3 banana pepper plants and 4 jalapeno plants, and the yield is just amazing. So if you're looking to farm something in the Raleigh, North Carolina area, I'd highly recommend you look into peppers because they grow so well here. So this is the Food Saver food vacuum sealer. I'll put the link for this in the description below. And that is what we're going to use today to vacuum seal our jalapeno peppers and freeze them. So first thing you do is you open this. Here's your bags, and what you're going to do is cut them down to the size you think is appropriate. I'm gonna do them all about this size, so show you how that works. So I lifted this little piece here and moved the bag underneath that piece, and then this is the slicer. Just gonna slice it like that. Then you've got one sheet. Then I'm going to lay this just like that. This is the heating bar, which is going to make a seal on the bag. So I'm going to close this and go over to the gauge here and flip it to the operate mode. And up here, I'm just going to seal. So I'm going to press this button. And this will seal the bag. Then we will fill it, and then we will vacuum seal it. You will know it's done because it's a solid green circle, just like that, and then it's done. So we'll unlock that. There you go. It is sealed. So let's fill this up with about 6 to 7 jalapeno peppers. We've got enough for about 4 bags. Okay, now we're gonna vacuum seal our jalapenos. I am going to take these half-sealed bags and put the open end kind of in this little drip tray here. Try to lay these as flat as I can. Close this, flip this to the operate mode right here. And then there's a button here that's called vacuum vide. So you might hear people say the term sous vide. It's just a French term mostly used in cooking that means to vacuum seal. So we're going to vacuum seal these. Press that button. seal button is starting to glow, which means it's putting a seal there. Okay, so I'm going to release that. You see it put a nice banded seal right here on the top. These are perfectly fine for jalapeno poppers. We do it every year. You freeze a bunch. I didn't blanch them. I just made sure they were washed, rinsed, stuck them in this bag. I'm going to label them, the time or the date that we froze these, and they will usually keep through the season. We don't pretty much make it past November because we've eaten them all, but they are just as good as buying fresh ones in the store because they're going to be wrapped in bacon and stuffed with cream cheese. So there you have it. I'm going to finish the rest of these. Okay, there you have it. I got 4 packs of jalapenos and we are ready for football season. All right, have a great day, everybody. Come grow with us.